Hey guys, so today I'm doing a really exciting video. I have a whole bunch of iBloom squishies we've gotten in stock recently from my website, CharmsLOL. So the link to buy these will be in the description box. And if you're new, please subscribe. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I have these sweet mini ice creams. There we go. So this is the blue one, and it is melon scented. This is the green one. It is strawberry scented. And this is the pink one, which is grape scented. Then we have some of the cutie melon buns. They're pretty big in size. So this is just the plain one, which is the like Andes melon pan bun. They're super duper squishy. There is the melon bun, or melon pan bun, which is green. The rainbow one. And then here's the strawberry one. Then I have some of the cutie pineapples. These ones are like one of my favorites. They're so cute. This is the orange one. This is the miracle green one. I love this one. This one's the rainbow one. They're so soft. They do smell like pineapple. It smells really good. And then here's the yellow one. We have some of these biscuit breads. So this one is the galaxy one. Here's the melon one. The rainbow one. The chocolate one. The butter one. And we do have the strawberry one. I just don't have it with me right now, but it's on the website. I have some of the jumbo whales with the sparkly eyes. So this one is Roxy. Here's Billy and Millie. I also have the mini versions of them. This is Millie, Roxy, and Billy. I also have the jumbo winking ones. This one is Millie winking. It's like one eye. And then we have Roxy. I don't know if you can see the other eye. And then Billy. And of course the minis. There's Billy, Roxy, and Millie. So that is going to be it for this video. Again, links for these will be down below, and they're on my website, CharmsLOL.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!